Yeah, hi Andy, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your jukebox laser for you, and it's all working as it should be. Basically what I've done is I've taken it apart. I've had to give it a really good clean, okay, because it was really gummed up. Too much grease in there. So I don't know who's done the servicing on that, but you don't need that amount of grease. It's only just to move the bar up and down, but it's been packed in there pretty well. So yeah, I've cleaned all your cogs out for you. Given them a clean up, check the micro switch, check the board as well. This board's all good, it's got no dry joints, and replaced the laser for a brand new one. So yeah, it's all working as it should be. I'm playing it here now, as you can see, it's all spinning around. Yeah, so you got a 6-month warranty on that, on the part I've replaced, and obviously my labour on that specific part, putting that in for you. That's obviously what we cover. So yeah, if you get any problems within 6 months, send it back free of charge. All we ask for is postage. So very grateful for your business, and thank you very much, and you have a great day.